welcome to Flygfabriken and the weekly update. We have milled one more plug this week for the lower shell of the wing and also applied epoxy paste on one. Unfortunately, we ran out of epoxy and there are some delivery time on this, so I guess it's a week away before we can finalize that one. And we are also waiting for a new motor to the other Bellotti milling machine, probably some weeks away. It's hard to get hold of them. But we have a lot of other things to do next week, probably a lot of computer time to prepare for other molds, making stocks also for other molds. So stay tuned and we get in touch in a week. Okay, bye.
Yeah.